with Peter and Jane. We had fun. आधी हे पण वाचायचे ना. He was with Peter and Jane. We had fun. Pet.
Read here, Moksh.
Hey, this is pet, no?
That's right. Can you read it?
Here is Peter and here is Jane. Here is cat, dog.
No, not like that. Like so.
Peter is here and
There is no and. There is no and.
Peter is here. Jane is here. And pet is here. Here they are.
Good
So
job.
many books no.
Yes, that's right. Hold it.
Only 2.
Yes, only 2 books. Yes.
Animal bestie.
That's right. Yes.
Animal tourists.
Okay.
One more time. Here they are in the water. They like the water. Peter is
What is this?
pet likes the water. Pet likes fun.
Good job. Read. Please read, sweetie.
I think there is an alligator inside this.
No, they don't, alligators don't live in the ocean. Come on. Moksh.
Come in the come in back. It is fun.
That's right. 8. 8.
It is fun.
In.
In the water. Come. In the water. Come.
Wow. So what happens later? See, what happens later? Can you read? Moksh, can you read? Moksh?
Page. Okay. That comes in. That likes the water. It is fun in the water.
Water.
So many pages nahi.
Water.
It is fun in the water, says Peter.
Good job.
So many pages nahi.
कर तू आधी पहिले जे आहे ते तर वाच.
I have a ball, says Peter. And
there is no and. Here
is the ball. Here is the ball. That is says.
He says. Moksh.
Look, says Jane. Look, says Peter. Look. Have a look.
Have a look. Yes.
Come and look. Peter says.
Says or has?
Has a look.
So Peter has a look. And what does he have a look at? He has a look at?
Fish. Because it's a plane.
Okay, read it then.
Next.
It's okay. You have to read this first.
No.
Moksh, you have to read this first, sweetie.
हे गंमत आहे.
हो असू दे माधी हे वाचल्यावर गंमत आहे. पुढे वाचा बरं. मोक्ष, आयपॅडची बॅटरी संपेल, मी शूट नाही करू शकणार आणि तुला हवं ते बघायला नाही मिळणार. हे तू वाचलं का? हे तू वाचलं का? नॉट येट. वाच बरं.
Peter has a look.
या, सो रीड इट. पीटर
Peter looks at fish.
ॲट आहे. इज दिस ॲट?
A
कॉन्सन्ट्रेट.
fish,
हां.
says Jane.
या,
And
इट इज अँड.
it
हां.
is a fish, says Peter. It is a fish, he says.
वंडरफुल.
The dog wants the fish. The
द
dog
वन्स.
the fish.
या.
He wants the fish, Jane.
Very good. He wants the fish, Jane. Okay, what's here? Can you see?
Pat wants the fish. No, 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 says Jane. And what is this?
Is that I or you?
You. Oh,
You.
you. Oh, go.
Y. O.
Y.
U. Says you. You.
Come here.
Come.
Here, Pat says.
Ah.
Come here. No, no, no.
Next. Read.
Here
Here.
is all Peter and Jane.
Okay.
Peter has some water. Here you are, Jane. He says.
Very good. He says. What does he say and what does he do? Can you read? Read, Moksh.
Where is Pat?
Pat is not in the frame right now. It is not. He is not in the picture right now. Yeah. So here.
Here you are, Jane, says Peter. Here you are.
This.
Is for you. Is
Here. If you remove your finger, then you can read. Here.
Is some water for you.
Very good.
This is for you, Jane says. Here is some water for you. Here you are, Peter. It is for you.
Good job.
Good look, Jane.
Look, Jane. Look, Jane.
And I can jump, says Peter. And I can jump in the water. What is this?
K. And says
Can you jump? Can you jump like this, Jane?
Can you jump like this, Jane? Come on. Come on, sweetie. Moksh.
Okay. They can jump in
And
Peter can jump in.
they
They jump into the water for fun.
good job.
We like this. They say.
Very good. They say we like this.
Pet is there.
Yes. Come on.
Jane jump back.
Jump.
Jump. This back jump. Jump. This back. Jump in back. Jump this.
Jump this.
Says Peter. Jane
Jump.
in the water. You can jump back. Jump.
Jump like a jump, sir.
Jumps into the water.
My God, even Pat jumps into the water, Moksh. Wow. See, next.